Ultimate Guide to Choosing the Best Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Hey, tech lovers! Are you tired of sweeping and vacuuming your home over and over again? Today, I've got the perfect solution for you. We're going to explore everything you need to know before buying a robot vacuum cleaner. And stay until the end because we'll compare 3 top models to help you pick the perfect one. First things first, what should you look for? Take notes. 1. Suction power. Strong suction is essential, especially for carpets or homes with pets. 2. Navigation system. Advanced LiDAR technology or smart sensors are critical for precise mapping and obstacle avoidance. 3. Battery life. For larger homes, look for at least 90 minutes of runtime. 4. Self-emptying base. Say goodbye to frequent dustbin emptying with self-emptying bases. 5. Smart controls. Control your robot with mobile apps or voice assistants for maximum convenience. Now that you know the essentials, let's move on to the 3 most popular robot cleaners. 1. Shark AI Ultra. This robot vacuum comes with smart mapping technology, a self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt, and powerful suction perfect for pet hair. Plus, with LiDAR navigation, it cleans efficiently and avoids obstacles with ease. On the plus side, it boasts 120 minutes of battery life, compatibility with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, and a large dustbin capacity of 0.27 gallons. On the downside, it's slightly heavy at 15.25 pounds. As for the price, it's listed at $349.99, a fair deal considering its features. And with an average rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from over 32,000 reviews. 2. Eufy 11S Max. Known for its super thin design and quiet operation, this robot vacuum can glide under furniture and work without disturbing your peace. It offers 100 minutes of runtime, a 600 milliliters dustbin, and operates with a remote control for straightforward commands. On the plus side, it's incredibly quiet and budget-friendly, perfect for smaller homes or apartments. On the downside, it lacks a self-emptying base, so you'll need to empty the dustbin manually. The price? A wallet-friendly $159.99. And with an impressive 4.3-star rating from over 65,000 reviews, it's clear that customers love it. 3. iRobot Roomba Vacuum 2. This little powerhouse comes with smart navigation sensors, a self-emptying dock that can hold up to 60 days of dirt, and 120 minutes of runtime. On the plus side, it's incredibly efficient in navigation and cleans every corner with precision. On the downside, it can get a bit noisy during operation. The price sits at $239.04, striking a good balance between features and cost. With a 4.1-star rating from over 25,000 reviews, it's a reliable choice for most households. And there you have it. 3 fantastic options for every budget and need. Whether you prioritize advanced navigation, quiet operation, or a self-emptying base, there's a robot vacuum here for you. Want to grab any of these products? All the links are right there in the description. Go take a look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next review.